The dice can be integrated in various ways. The ordered model number reflects the chosen connector configuration, pressure rating, and the material configuration. In this case, we are installing the dice in its most simple configuration, which is with one dosing pump and a calibration column. Rigid piping, tubing, including PFA piping, can be used to connect the dice with the pump, components, return line, and the process. Installing the dice can be done in two simple steps. The first step is to mount the dice in place. The dice can be mounted at any kind of support using its 3 mounting holes. Use the 3 supplied fasteners to mount the dice on the support. In the presented configuration, the installation requires 4 connections to be made. Connection to the dosing pump, connection for the tank return line, connection to the calibration column, and connection to the process outlet. The connection of the dosing pump can be done by cutting and installing a flexible tube between the dosing pump outlet and the dice on it as shown. In this case, the connections are made up using the supplied ferrule connector. The tank return line in our exemplary installation was made using a flexible hose connected to the dice evacuation outlet port and routed back into the chemical tank. The calibration column is mounted and connected directly to the dice using the supplied dice male NPT connector. The connection to the process outlet line is done using the same flexible tubing and the supplied ferrule connector. Start by installing the supplied dice connectors on the 2 bottom ports. Then, install the dosing pump discharge line and the tank return line using, in our case, the supplied ferrule kits. 3 ferrule connectors are supplied. The ferrule connector can be installed on the hose using the 3 supplied parts shown in this video. Install the supplied dice connectors on the process outlet port. Then, install the calibration cylinder using the supplied dice connector. In our case, we pre-assembled the bottom of the calibration column on the supplied dice male MPT connector. Connect the process outlet line using the supplied ferrule connector. The dice installation is now complete.